Yeah. Hey, aloha guys! Today I'm back in my home country, Romania. We are out for a little backpacking trip with my friends and my brother in the Carpathian Mountains. We started already pretty interesting. Our car broke down yesterday, and then instead of 2 miles we walked 6 to get to the cabin. And we got poured down really bad. But it's all part of the adventure. Today's plan is actually to climb 3 of the over 2,500 meter peaks: Negoiu, Lespezi and Coltu Peak. Weather is so-so, but let's see how it goes. So we are over 7,000 feet and heading towards Negoiu Peak, which is second highest point in Romania. Hopefully the sun will burn this white blanket of fog and we're gonna have some views. Oh my god, this is freaking amazing. Like, you are over the clouds. It's just in 5 minutes everything changed. The sun came out, it was super nice. So we are on the second highest peak in Romania, beautiful Negoiu Peak, which is just over 2,500 meter elevation. So we are heading to another two big peaks, and hopefully the weather keeps as beautiful as now. So we are heading over Lespezi Peak and Caltun, but we chose an interesting traverse, which is not the regular trail. We are basically going over a nice rocky section which leads us straight to the peaks, which is a shortcut but a way more dangerous way, and it's a pretty amazing stuff here, and it's pretty fun, I have to say. I really enjoy it. Well, that was a fun scrambling for sure, but we just hit this freaking huge wall, which we're not gonna climb without any rope or harness, so I guess this was fun, and now we're gonna work our way back. We are actually thinking to use that gully with the scree to go down. Nagyon zsírul néz ki.
Az nem durva hely.
We're almost on the top of beautiful Lespezi. It's super steep. After all this up and down, this is pretty steep. Almost there. Finally we made it to Lespezi Peak, and there's a lot of people up here, so it's probably one of those popular hikes. And then we still have to cross and get to the next peak, so okay, we made it. Made all three peaks, and now we are heading back home. It's kind of late, so we're gonna have a long way back. See you guys next time. Aloha.